welcome to CarsNew channel. This time, we will discuss 2025 Honda S2000 Unveiled. After years of speculation and anticipation, Honda has finally unveiled the all-new 2025 Honda S2000. The iconic Roadster, beloved for its high-revving engine and razor-sharp handling, is back, and it's better than ever. Redesigned for the modern era, but staying true to its core values of agility, simplicity, and driving excitement, the 2025 S2000 aims to recapture the hearts of driving enthusiasts and set a new standard for roadsters. A bold new design. The 2025 Honda S2000 brings a sleek and aggressive new look, while still echoing the classic lines that made the original so beloved. The elongated hood, compact dimensions, and short rear deck remain, giving the S2000 its signature roadster proportions. But the new model adds sharper, more aerodynamic lines, a bold front fascia with sleek lady headlights, and a prominent rear diffuser, all of which give it a modern, high-performance vibe. Honda has focused heavily on weight savings, using lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber to ensure the 2025 S2000 retains its nimble and agile character. The car's stance is low and wide, emphasizing its athleticism, while 19-inch alloy wheels and an active rear spoiler round out the aggressive styling. Turbocharged power. One of the biggest changes for the 2025 Honda S2000 is under the hood. Gone is the naturally aspirated engine that was a hallmark of the original. Instead, Honda has introduced a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, capable of producing an impressive 350 horsepower and 330 pounds-feet of torque. While some purists may lament the loss of the high-revving NA engine, the turbocharged power plant offers significantly more torque, making the new S2000 faster and more responsive than ever before. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, staying true to the S2000's reputation as a driver's car. For those who prefer a more relaxed drive, an optional 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters is also available. With its lightweight chassis and increased power, the new S2000 is expected to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, making it a formidable contender in the roadster market. Driver-focused interior. The 2025 Honda S2000's interior has been designed with a clear focus on the driver. The cockpit-style layout places all controls within easy reach, while the minimalist dashboard is clean and functional. High-quality materials like leather and Alcantara give the interior a premium feel, while carbon fiber accents emphasize the car's performance-oriented nature. Handling and agility. The hallmark of the original S2000 was its razor-sharp handling, and the 2025 model carries that legacy forward. Honda has equipped the new S2000 with an updated version of its independent double wishbone suspension, paired with adaptive dampers for enhanced control and comfort. The result is a car that feels planted and responsive, whether carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway. Honda's engineers have also included a limited slip differential and performance-tuned stability control, ensuring that the S2000 maintains its status as one of the most engaging and fun-to-drive cars on the market. A new chapter for the S2000. The 2025 Honda S2000 is a welcome return for one of the most iconic roadsters in automotive history. With its turbocharged power, modern design, and driver-focused dynamics, the new S2000 offers a perfect blend of old-school driving fun and modern performance. Honda has managed to stay true to the spirit of the original while giving the S2000 the technology and power needed to compete in today's market. Set to arrive in showrooms soon, the 2025 S2000 is poised to reignite the passion for driving and become a favorite among enthusiasts once again.